Greetings everyone. We'll start with transformation of sentences for ISC 11th and 12th boards. Before that, I would ask you to subscribe my channel since I'll be posting more such videos on MCQs of different subjects that will be helpful for you in your board examination. Hit that red button of subscribe and please like this video if you found it helpful. You can also join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description and also available in the I button. I'll be posting handwritten notes, sample papers, practice MCQs in that channel. Question number 51. The news has been brought to us by him. These are the 4 options. You can read it, pause the video, read it, tick the correct answer and then play the video so that you can know which option is correct. Answer is option B. He has brought us the news. Question number 52. The people couldn't move to the hospital and the doctor operated on me at home. These are the options. Pause. The correct answer is option A. I couldn't be moved to the hospital and was operated on at home by the doctor. What amused you? Answer is option C. By what were you amused? Question number 54. Who can question Gandhi's integrity? Options are: by whom Gandhi's integrity can be questioned? By whom can Gandhi's integrity be questioned? Gandhi's integrity can be questioned by whom? Who could have questioned Gandhi's integrity? Answer is option B. Let him see the picture. Answer is option A. Let the picture be seen by him. Question number 56. They created such a fuss over a trivial matter. Answer is option B. Such a fuss was created over a trivial matter. Do not insult him. These are the options. Answer is option B. Let him not be insulted. 58. People use computers for various purposes. Answer is option C. Computers are used by people for various purposes. Shut all the doors and windows in the night. Answer is option A. Let all the doors and windows be shut in the night. You can also calculate your score and comment it. Nobody has answered my question. Answer is option B. My question has not been answered by anybody. People call him a fool. He is called a fool by the people. Now it's all based on your proficiency in grammar, so you have to practice. You can also refer to my other videos that are rules of transformation of sentences. For this part, answer is option B. We are taught grammar by him. 63. We have warned you. Answer is option A. You have been warned. Close the doors. Answer is option C. Let the doors be closed. Question number 65. Lie face down. Stretch your arms in front. Option A. Option B. Option C and option D. For this part, answer is option D. Let face be down. Let arms be stretched out. Surely the lost child must have been found by now. Answer is option B. Question number 67. We serve hot meals till 10:30, semicolon. Guests can order, coffee and sandwiches up to 11:30. Answer is option C. The agent had disclosed the secret before it was evening? Answer is option C. The secret had been disclosed by the agent before it was evening. Question number 69. They drew a circle in the morning. Answer is option A. A circle was being drawn by them in the morning. If you find any blunder in this presentation or you feel that something is incorrect, then you may comment. Question number 70. The scheme permits investors to buy the shares from foreign companies. Option D is here. Answer is option C. Under the scheme, the investors are permitted to buy shares from foreign companies. Transform the given sentence into assertive. How gorgeous is the sunset? Answer is option C. The sunset is very gorgeous. Question number 72. Transform the given sentence into superlative. No other metal is as expensive as gold. Answer is option D. Gold is the most expensive of all metals. Transform the given sentence into simple. She said that she was coming. Answer is option C. Question number 74. Transform the given sentence into adjective. She treated me respectfully. Answer is option C. She was respectful to me. Transform the given sentence into negative. Human is mortal. Answer is human is not immortal. Transform the given sentence into complex. My ambition is to serve the country. Answer is option A. Transform the given sentence into negative. Many people want to travel the world. Answer is option D. Transform the given sentence into comparative. That chocolate is not as sweet as this one. Options are. Answer is option D. The principal said, Allah is one. The Holy Prophet Muhammad is his last prophet. Answer is option B. Tariq said, Hurrah, I have won the match. Answer is option A. You must revise active and passive voice from class 9th and 10th book and indirect and direct speech. Sajid said, Alas, how foolish I have been. Answer is option B. (82) The teacher said, Let the boy go home now. Answer is option C. 83. I said to him, Good morning, how do you do? Answer is option B. The traveler said, Can you show me the way to the nearest inn? Answer is option A. He said to his friend, Please wait for me. Answer is option A. He said to his son, May you live long. Answer is option B. He said, Let us wait for the award. Answer is option C. The teacher often says to me, If you don't work hard, you will fail. Answer is option A. He said, I shall go as soon as possible. Answer is option A. He said, The horse died in the night. Answer is option B. He said to him, "Is not your name Ahmed?" Answer is option B. He said, "Bravo, you have done well." Answer is option B. Harris said, "How clever I am." Answer is option A. She says, "Now I shall read this book." Answer is option A. If you guys are weak in transformation of sentences or you are unable to answer the correct preposition, then the only way to excel in it is to practice. You may practice many sample papers or many MCQs, then you will be able to answer it correctly. I'll be uploading more videos on grammar part, so you can watch all of them. He says, "They will tease you." Answer is option C. We will say to Hina, "You have brought her paintings to show us and your mom." Answer is option A. He will say to me, "You played well." Answer is option C. He says to them, "You have completed your job." Answer is, these are the options. Answer is option A. Keshav said, "Rita is busy right now." Answer is option B. Vidushi said, "We went for a summer trip." Answer is option C.